konti lang. Unahan. Pare, mga France ID. Gimaras.
Kamusta ang sabon sa mangga sa Gimaras?
Wow.
We're gonna expect English friend.
Yes.
Ano siya? Thank you so much, Mom, and enjoy your mangoes.
Yan. And of course, again, from the single we have here from
Bantayan and
Bantayan, Cebu. Hindi na perdig yan, no? Hindi na perdig. Na. So, welcome to the province of Guimaras. Mahuloy, unang yung grupo, biyang dapat kinapilit, bigyan ng yes, ako na yan, that's the spirit. But they came here sa Guimaras to enjoy and taste the sweetest mango in the world. Again, welcome to the province of Guimaras.
Yes, and of course, again, please clean as you go. So please be responsible with your leftovers. So again, we have our more mangoes. Please raise your hands. So of course, our refillers are ready to serve you.
Yes, again, for those who want to participate in the Mango Eat All You Can, our third batch are now officially open for registration. Our registration area located at the provincial capital ground. If you're looking at our Capitolio Provincial San Gibaras, located po yan sa left side po natin.
Yes, and of course, after the third batch, so please wear your green wristbands. Okay, so in order for you to be recognized for our third batch, so again, please wear your green wristbands. So for only 100 pesos, you can avail and enjoy the 30 minutes Mango Eat All You Can. Again, please observe or practice clean as you go. So please be responsible with your leftovers. So again, we have our designated trash bins on our left side as well as our wash area.
Yes, and of course, if you are posting your photos, videos, or anything online, kindly use our official hashtags, #Manggahan Festival 2025.
And hashtag Mangoes and more.
Hashtag Kapitan First.
And of course, #Province of Guimaras.
And hashtag Love Gimaras.
Isa umahin na ba?
Sulit na kaya siya. Sa bigat na post mo.
Babos ng mangga.
Pakita niyo ang pictures.
Manggahan.
Kung download ka mo, so gamitin din natin mga panahon ng mga official hashtags para sa ating Manggahan Festival 2025.
Yes, and of course, kasi ko lang again, nakita nila yung mga ng walkie. You can visit the province of Guimaras, Facebook pages. We also have the
Manggahan
Festival
Festival.
and Guimaras Tourism.
Yes,
Yes, Guimaras yan. Ngayon, nakita ko may lecture sa ano.
Okay, so again, kung sino ba gusto ng kausa-pausa, please raise your hands. Of course, our refillers are available all the time.
Touch mo, hulog. Bayad mo.
And then, please prepare exam amount. Hindi kasi kailangan mo tayo ng hospital na tayo.
Okay, so again, we would like to invite everyone here to the fair area for the Mango Eat All You Can for only 100 pesos. And you can avail and enjoy the 30-minute Mango Eat All You Can. All you have to do is to register. So what are you waiting for? Register now.
Wine, Pugnay. Sabi no.
Again, our third batch, they will start exactly at 10:30 a.m.
Yes, so again, third batch, 10:30 a.m. So please wear your green wristbands. As suggestions.
Yes.
Ikaw, free taste.
So now, Sir Mango Eat All You Can experience.
sandok. Bracelet.
Pare, balik ko na naman ka. Karoon ko lang pa.
Ngayon na, rep magnets.
30? 20.
Rep magnet. Ano po na?
Our third batch, so again, please wear the green.
Soy.
Learner for you to recognize that you belong. Our third batch, so again, please wear the green wristband.
Oo, sige. Tara lang ko sa entrance. Oo. Tara lang.
Listen now. 8 minutes left before we start the Mango 8 all you can.
Yes, kaya biyan ako na tayo.
Biar kita na yan, biar casting police.
Yes,
Ito naman ang
yes. Yes, sila dapat. And of course, again, sa mga batch 3, so welcome dito sa mga festival. And welcome to Mango 8 all you can. And hopefully, later on, you will enjoy eating your sweets and mangoes for only 100 pesos.
Yes, and of course, if we have our children 6 years old and below, now will only pay, excuse me, someone